Welcome to Nabeel Math Academy. This is Dr. Mohammed Nabeel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the line slope. So the first topic is the slope. The slope is defined by the rise over run, change in y over change in x. If you have a 2 point, so this is the slope is y2, change in y over change in x. So this is the slope of a line. So what do you mean by slope? The slope is a slanting position of a line. If you have different types of slope, we will have. What are they? The first one is this is a positive slope. It is going upward. That's why it is positive slope. The m value you will get, this value will be positive. This value will be positive. Here the line is going downward, therefore it has a negative slope. The m value will be negative. Here we will have the horizontal line. So there is no slanting position at all in this line, therefore the slope value is equal 0 for this line. And here we don't have the slope is undefined, otherwise we can say, because you will have a vertical line. So there are the different types of slope. That's what we have defined here. The slope of a horizontal line is equal 0. The slope of a vertical line, which is undefined, which cannot be defined. Then we will have the next one. It is what? The list of formulas we are going to use. What are the formulas? The first one is the slope and y-intercept. Whenever the slope and y-intercept given, we use this formula y equal mx plus b, where the m value is nothing but the slope and the b value is the y-intercept. Y-intercept means x is equal 0. So x is equal 0, 0 comma b. We can write it in terms of the point. Now the next one slope and a point is given. How will you calculate the equation of a line? By using the formula y minus y1 equal m times of x minus x1, where the m value is the slope, and the x1 and y1 is the given point. Now the next one, equation of the parallel and perpendicular line. Before going to the equation, we have to know what is the parallel and perpendicular line. So these two lines we call it as a parallel because this is parallel to each other. The slope of the line 1, slope of the line 2, it must be same. Then only we will say it is a parallel. The condition for the parallel is the slope must be same. Whereas in the next one, you will find it the two lines are intersect at a angle 90 degree, perpendicular. So therefore, what is the relationship between these two? The m1 into m2 is equal minus 1. We call it this one. If this satisfies, we call it the lines will be a perpendicular. So what is the equation of a parallel line? If you want to calculate the parallel line, y minus y1 equal m times of x minus x1. Why? Because the m value is going to be the same in the parallel. So there is no change. Therefore, you will get a same equation of a line. Whereas in the perpendicular, you will have a change of the formula. Y minus y1 equal minus 1 over m, because due to this one I will calculate the m1. What is m1 here? M1 is equal minus 1 over m2. So it is a reciprocal minus 1 over m. So that is the slope of a perpendicular line. So we will use these formulas whenever it is required. Now the first one, in this question they are asked to find the slope of a line. This is the slope of a line given that the 2 points are given. What is this? X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So I will take the formula. What is the formula here? Change in Y over change in X. So if I substitute the value here, 5 minus 1 over 8 minus 2. So it is 4 over 6, which can be simplified as 2 over 3. So m value is equal 2 over 3 is the slope, which is a positive slope, which is going upward. Like this, you will find it the line. Now let us go to the next problem in which they are asking find the equation of a line. So here it is asking equation of a line given data. What is the given thing? Which is m is given, and this is a y-intercept. Y-intercept means b. This is actually the b value. The b value is given. So what are the formula we are going to use? Y equal mx plus b. So the b is the y-intercept, m is the slope. Just substitute the value. What is this one? 3x plus b value is minus 2. So this is a b value is the y-intercept, which is minus 2. Y equal 3x minus 2. So if this one you can stop, or you can bring it everything here. So you can rewrite this equation as 3x minus y minus 2 equal 0. Both are correct. So I am bringing the y term to the another side. The next one. Find the equation of a line given that this is a one point is given and a slope is given. So you have to find the equation of a line. So we use the formula y minus y1 equal m times of x minus x1. So just substitute the value. Y minus of minus, it become plus, equal m minus half x minus 1. Now in order to change this one, I want to remove the fraction. I multiply the entire term by 2 in order to cancel this fraction. So I multiply the entire equation by 2. So what happened? The equation 2y plus 6 equal. Here 2 with the 2 cancel, you will get minus 1, x minus 1. So this is very simple. So now you will get a linear form. Therefore you can simply do it the rest of the steps. So here you will get 2y plus 6 on the left side. If you multiply this part, what happened? Here it becomes minus x plus 1. Since the x value must be plus, so I will bring this one here. So what happened? There is a change of sign. So it becomes x plus 2y will be the same, plus 6 will be the same, minus 1. So this value will be changing the sign. The x I am bringing here, it become plus, plus 1 I am bringing here, it become minus 1. Now thereafter simplify. So x plus 2y plus 5 equal 0. You can ask why you cannot bringing the y on the other side, because the x term, the first term, the x coefficient must be plus. That's why. If the x is plus, I will not disturb the x. So what we done in the last problem? In the last problem, x is a positive. I don't bring in the y x term to the other side. Just I will move the y term to the another side. If it is x is negative, I will move it to make it positive. So this is the equation of a line. Now here there is a 2 points are given. So in order to find the equation of a line, what I need here? So the equation of a line, we have the formula y minus y1 equal m times of x minus x1. But in the question, it is given the 2 points are given x1, y1, x2, y2, and there is a missing of slope. So it is the same thing what we done before. We have to calculate the slope first by using these 2 points. What is the slope here? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So which in turn implies y2 minus 4 minus 2 over 3 minus of minus plus 1, which is equal minus 6 over 4, which is equal minus 3 over 2. So this is the m value, negative slope, you will get it. Now let us start with the problem. What is the problem here given? This is a y minus y1. Okay. So first you will calculate the values. Y minus y1. Y1 value is what? Minus 2. This is m minus 3 over 2 x minus of minus plus. Now in order to make it, I want to remove the fraction. I multiply the entire term by 2. So if you multiply by 2, so you will get 2y minus 4 equal minus 3x plus 1. Now after that multiply. What is the multiplication inside the x value? So here you will get minus 3x minus 3. Here 2y minus 4. So since the value of x is negative, I want to change it plus by moving to the another side. What happened here? Minus it become plus 3x plus 2y minus 4 will be the same. If you bring the minus 3 on the other side, it become plus 3. So the final answer will be 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal 0. So this is the equation of a line. Now the next one here in this question, it is given find the equation of a line that is perpendicular. So that is perpendicular to the line, which is this line is given, and passing through the origin. First of all, in order to calculate the perpendicular line, what is the formula we have? Y minus y1 equal minus 1 over m x minus x1. So in this one, we need x and y. What is x and y here? So the origin is the point which is equal 0, comma 0. So we will get it x, comma y. But what about the m, the slope? The slope I have to calculate from the line. How will you calculate from the line? I will write it in the intercept form. Y equal mx plus b. The given line I have to reduce into the intercept form. How will you reduce? 6y. I will move it all the term other side. Minus 4x minus 5. Now divided by 6, you will get what? If you divide it by 6, you will have over 6, over 6, over 6. It get cancelled. This is 2 over 3. So if you simplify this part, what will get? Y is equal minus 2 over 3x minus 5 over 6. If you compare with the standard form, what is the standard form of the intercept? Y equal mx plus b. So I will compare the m. What is m here now? The m value is equal minus 2 over 3. So I got it the m as well. So m is given by minus 2 over 3 and the slope, the point 0, comma 0. Then the equation of a perpendicular line y minus y1 equal minus 1 over m x minus x1. Now let us go with this problem. Y minus y1 is 0 minus 1 over, this is minus 2 over 3 into x minus 0. Now if you simplify this part, what happened here? Minus with the minus it get cancelled. These 3 it goes to up. So therefore the value will be y is equal 3 over 2 into x. So either you can leave it here or you can multiply, take cross multiply these two. You will have the final answer. This is another format. You will have 2y equal 3x. This is another format. I will move the y on the other side because you will have x is positive 2y. So all these are correct. All the form will be correct. So this is the parallel. If the same question is asking with the parallel, what happened? Let us start with the same thing. Everything, the story going to be the same. This slope going to be the same. Only the change is where? In the formula. What is the formula here? For the parallel, we will use the formula y minus y1 equal m times of x minus x1. This is the only difference between the parallel and perpendicular. So you will have a parallel. Perpendicular means minus 1 over m for the perpendicular. For the parallel, we will have a m. Now just substitute the value. Here y minus, the origin is what? 0, comma 0. And as we calculate the slope of this line is y equal, m is equal minus 2 over 3. Just substitute the value. Minus 2 over 3 x minus 0. When I multiply this one, y is equal minus 2 over 3 into x. So this is also right. When you multiply the cross, so you will get here 3y is equal minus 2x. So since the x value is negative, I will move it the other side. We will get what? 2x plus 3y is equal 0. So all are correct one. So either you can leave it here. This is also right. This is another format by multiplying 3. Or if you move the x term to other side, this is the final answer. So all are correct. Thank you.